Hello friends, welcome back. Look at that, friends, lot of car. Wow, all car is different look. Just look friends. Wow, plane, train engine, tram truck, bullet train. Wow, okay, let's see one by one. This is truck engine, train engine. Look at that friend. Wow, we have basket. Okay, two out in basket. Look, just look friend. Fire engine. Wow, red color. Wow, friends, dump truck.
Dump truck.
Are you ready? Okay. Nice.
This is small dump truck. Wow, just awesome. Wow, monster car. Just look friend, awesome color. Wow friends, this is double-decker bus. School bus. This is wow friend. This is road jeep car. Wow, green color, and this is a small container. Wow, wow, this is plane. Okay, let's see next one is wow. Wow, this is roller. Small roller car. Wow, friends, fire service car. Red color fire service car. Wow friends, this is pixar truck. Just look friend, awesome. Wow, McQueen. This is it.
We need to loosen those ancient joints. First, the wheels. And forward. And rest. And forward. And rest. Join me. Rest.
Red color. Luxury bus. Wow, green color. Wow, police school bus. Bus. Also luxury bus. Right? Color. Wow. City bus. Wow, friend, this is also city bus. Ambulance, police ambulance. Wow, friends, this is sports car. Wow, friends, tank car.
And prioritize the safety of the crew. It is equipped with composite armor and advanced protection, communication, and intelligence systems. It has a range of 450 kilometers and can cross areas with water.
School bus. Wow, this is truck crane. Wow, look at that, friends. Wow.
Transformation! Yeah!
Wow. Awesome. Friends, this is big dump truck. Wow, airbus. Friends, this is bullet train. Wow. And then last one is truck excavator. Door. All is finished. Thank you, friend, for watching. Please subscribe.